Did you know back then it was customary for people in the Old Testament to, whenever they commit a sin, they would kill an animal. And that the blood of the animal will cleanse their sin. That was their custom back then. Right? How many of you guys know that? Back then, they would have to slay or sacrifice animals that doesn't have any defect. They will offer it to the priest. And the priest will say a prayer and they will be forgiven. But when Jesus came, that's why we call him the greatest sacrifice. The Lamb of God. He was slain, and by his blood, not just one person anymore. It is for every single one of us. Can you believe that? The blood of Christ redeemed us from the curse of the law. Every single one of us deserved to die, deserved to go to hell. But because of Jesus, John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever would believe in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.